Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Alcatel 3. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool, because when you use something metallic you can only damage the port even more and it can be unfixable. So what you guys want to do next is open up either a recorder app or just call somebody and test the microphone. So after you call somebody right here, then they will tell you if your microphone is working or not. So after that, all you guys want to do is update the software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to settings and now scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Now go to system updates and you need to run the latest version of it, because this phone does not receive any updates. As you guys can see, I will connect quickly to the Wi-Fi and show you guys that it has no updates. So as you guys can see, there's no updates for this phone because it's from the 2019, it's 6 years old. And basically, if you're not running the latest version already, then I recommend you guys, it's mandatory to download the latest one. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.